Cooking has never been more exciting and versatile than with this Iktu ceramic pots and pan set non-stick pink 19-piece non-stick cookware set with detachable handle. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting, this cookware set brings style, convenience, and health-conscious cooking to your kitchen. Its thoughtful design and premium materials ensure exceptional performance, making it a must-have for home kitchens, RVs, or camping enthusiasts. Let's dive deep into why the Iktu 19-piece ceramic cookware set stands out from the crowd and how it can revolutionize your cooking journey. Why choose the Iktu 19-piece cookware set? 1. Healthier choice for you and your family. This cookware set features a natural ceramic coating certified by SGS, ensuring it's free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. You can now prepare meals with peace of mind, knowing your cookware is safe and promotes healthier cooking practices. 2. Non-stick technology for hassle-free cooking. The advanced non-stick ceramic coating ensures food slides off effortlessly, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Say goodbye to scrubbing stubborn residue and hello to more time enjoying your culinary creations. 3. Exceptional space-saving design. Perfect for small kitchens, RVs, and campers, the detachable handle design allows you to stack and store the cookware neatly. Save up to 75% of cabinet space while maintaining an organized kitchen. 4. Versatility redefined. The Iktu cookware set's detachable handle transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven, grill, fridge, or even your dining table. Its all-round compatibility works perfectly with gas, electric, and induction stovetops, ensuring you have one set for all your cooking needs. 5. Solid construction and durability. Made with heavy-duty cast aluminum, the pots and pans ensure even heat distribution, long-lasting performance, and resistance to warping. The result? Perfectly cooked meals every time. What's inside the Iktu 19-piece set? This cookware set is thoughtfully designed to meet all your cooking needs. Frying pans. 8-inch and 10-inch non-stick frying pans for perfect omelets, pancakes, or searing meats. Saucepans. 2-quart and 3-quart saucepans for simmering sauces, boiling pasta, and more. Stockpot. 6-quart stockpot with lid, ideal for soups, stews, and family meals. Glass lids. 7-inch and 8-inch lids for controlled cooking. Removable handle. Detachable handle for compact storage and versatile use. Silicone utensils. 2 silicone utensils for scratch-free cooking. Vegetable steamer. Perfect for healthy, steamed vegetables. Fridge storage lids. 2 lids for convenient food storage. Pan protectors. 4 reusable protectors to keep your cookware pristine. Unique features that elevate the Iktu cooking experience. 1. Safe and healthy cooking. Unlike traditional non-stick cookware, the Iktu set uses an eco-friendly ceramic coating that is free from toxic substances. This ensures a safer cooking environment while maintaining excellent heat conductivity for consistent results. 2. Easy maintenance for busy lifestyles. The rivetless design eliminates food buildup, and the non-stick coating allows for quick and easy cleaning. A simple wipe or rinse is all it takes to keep your cookware looking new. 3. Dual lid functionality. Equipped with tight sealing lids, the saucepots can go straight into the refrigerator without transferring contents to another container. This design saves time, space, and ensures the freshness of your ingredients. 4. Stylish pink aesthetic. Add a pop of color to your kitchen with the elegant pink finish. The cookware is as beautiful as it is functional, making it a delightful addition to any kitchen. Who is this cookware set for? The Iktu ceramic pots and pans set is ideal for health-conscious cooks. Enjoy chemical-free cooking with minimal oil or butter. Small space owners, perfect for compact kitchens, RVs, or camping trips. Busy professionals, quick cooking and effortless cleaning save time. Aesthetic enthusiasts, enhance your kitchen's look with this vibrant cookware set. Here's what users are saying. The detachable handle is a game changer. It's so versatile, and I love how much space it saves in my cabinets. Finally, a non-stick set that actually works and is completely safe for my family. This is perfect for my RV. Lightweight, compact, and so easy to clean. Conclusion: this Iktu ceramic pots and pans set non-stick pink 19-piece cookware set is a versatile, space-saving, and health-conscious solution for all your cooking needs. Whether you're at home, in an RV, or camping, this cookware adapts to every situation with ease. Its durable construction, easy maintenance, and stylish design make it a standout choice for anyone seeking reliable and beautiful cookware. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.